How to create a great lead magnet. Creating a great lead magnet is essential for any business looking to generate more leads. When it comes to marketing your business online, it's essential you create a strategy for generating leads. How to create a great lead magnet that will generate more leads. Lead magnets are valuables that you give for free in exchange for an email address and permission to share more offers. So, how do you create a great lead magnet that will help you get better conversions for your web visitors? Understand your audience. Understanding your audience is one of the most important things you need to do before creating your lead magnet. What are their needs and wants? What are they struggling with? To have a clear picture of who and what your target audience is all about, you can start by creating a buyer persona. A buyer persona is a semi-fictional representation of your ideal customer. It includes demographic information like age, sex, location, job title, and psychographic information such as interests and needs. Creating a buyer persona will help you understand your audience better and create a lead magnet that resonates with them. Specify the value you want to provide. After determining the ideal customer you want to target, the next step is to find a compelling reason that will make your lead magnet irresistible to your web visitors. What value does the lead magnet provide? What are they getting in return for their email address? The best value proposition is one that your leads will find useful, valuable, entertaining, educating, or convenient. Choose the type of lead magnet you want to offer. After determining your audience and specifying the value you want to provide, the next step is choosing a type of lead magnet. Types of lead magnets include eBooks, templates, cheat sheets, coupons, reports, webinars, case study reports, mini courses, surveys or quizzes, free trials, printables, and discounts. Create your lead magnet. Now that you better understand your audience, the value you want to provide, and the type of lead magnet to use, it's time to create your lead magnet. A lead magnet has 4 main components: a form, the content, delivery email, and a thank you page. Form. This is the form where your web visitor will enter their email address to receive the lead magnet. Content. The content is the attractive downloadable item that your visitors receive in exchange for their information. Delivery email. The email address that sends instructions to your leads on how to download or access the lead magnet. Thank you page. The thank you page is the page your visitors see after signing up or downloading your lead magnet. Features a great lead magnet must have. It should be valuable. Your lead magnet must provide value. It offers instant gratification. A lead magnet targets people looking for a quick solution to a big problem. It aligns with your business goals. A lead magnet should help you get quality leads for your business and get your customers looking forward to buying your products or services. That just about wraps things up. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.